Hello students, welcome to our English class. Today I am going to explain about the vocabulary part children. This part vocabulary. So vocabulary part where it is contained. It is contained in the page number 65 students. Okay. Also open the page number 65. There is the vocabulary part. Now what is the first bit is given in the vocabulary part children? The first bit is given. What is the first bit here? Match things in part A with their uses or meanings in part B. That means in part A and part B is given children. Yes, part A and part B is given. Now let us see the part A. The things which are contained in the part A should be contain the meaning in the part B. Whatever the words are given in the part A, they have the meaning. They have the meaning in the part B. We should have to find the meanings for these words. First one. What is the first one word given, children? Oxygen. Oxygen is given. Yes. First one is the oxygen. Now let us find what is the meaning. What it consists of. Okay. What is the meaning? Now see here. First one is oxygen. No. Now match the oxygen meaning with the part from the part B. Now in part B what is given here? Important part of our food produced by trees, juice or milk from a tree, useful for human life, water drops in the water, next useful for trees. These are given children. Now which is the correct meaning to the oxygen? Which is the correct meaning? Can you able to tell? Oxygen is equal to the important part of our food? No. Oxygen is the juice or milk? No. Useful for human life? Yes. It is very useful for the human life. So oxygen. The first one. First answer is C children. There is a bracket given here, but alphabets are not given children. So what you should have to do? In the part B is there, no? Everybody should write A, B, C, D, E. Okay. A, B, C, D, E. So how many are there? 5 meanings are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 meanings. So you should have to match it. Correct answer in the bracket you should write. Where you should write children? You should have to write the correct answer in the bracket. So from the part A, the first one is question word oxygen. And what is the use of the oxygen? It is useful for human life. Now tell me, which one is the correct answer? The C1. C1 is the correct answer, useful for human life. So you should have to write the answer C in the bracket. Next one goes to the carbon dioxide. It is also gas. Oxygen is also gas, useful for human life. How it is useful? It is useful in the sense we breathe with that oxygen. Listen. Next, carbon dioxide. What is the use of the carbon dioxide? What is the advantage or disadvantage? We should have to find the meaning, correct meaning from the part B children. Now, carbon dioxide, important for our food. Carbon dioxide, juice or milk? Yes, juice or milk, carbon dioxide? No. Next, useful for human life. Already we have completed. It is the correct answer for the oxygen. It's C1. Next one, carbon dioxide. Next one is what? Water drops in the air. Water drops in the air. Correct answer children? No, it is also not the correct answer. Next one, useful for trees. Last one is what here? Useful for trees. Even no children, in textbook he did not mention anything. So you should have to write in part B, write with a pencil A, B, C, D, E, and the correct answer is written. The correct answer is written in the bracket. Come on now children, let us see here. Second one is carbon dioxide, and it is the carbon dioxide is useful for what? The carbon dioxide is useful for the trees. What they will do? They will take the carbon dioxide along with the water and use the oxygen. Yes or no children? Now, what is the correct answer? The answer is in the bracket you should write E. Okay, the second one is E. Now goes to the third one children. Third one, everybody should look on the blackboard. Everybody should look on the blackboard. Now, third one, starch. What I told starch means the sticky part, the sticky juice part which is present in the leaves or in the vegetable, that is the starch. Okay, in the process of photosynthesis, starch is formed in the leaves. Yes or no? Yesterday in the lesson I have explained about the starch and I have explained about the photosynthesis also. What do you mean by the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a chemical reaction. Okay, it is one reaction going on in the trees. They will take the carbon dioxide and water and then just to prepare the oxygen and produce into the air. Okay, now starch, important part of our food produced by trees. Yes or no? Starch, from where we are getting the starch? We are getting the starch from the trees itself. Important, they are the important part of our food produced by trees. So starch correct answer. Starch correct answer is first one. First one means that means A. The third one is what children here? The third one is A. Now goes to the fourth one. Goes to the fourth one. Sap. Sap means what? Important part of our food finished, useful for human life finished, useful for trees. These three options, leave these three options children, C, E and A. Leave this one and you should have to see. Remaining two options are there. What is that? B option and what? D option. B and D are empty now. Now let us see which one is the correct answer for the sap. Sap is the correct answer from the part B. Which is the correct answer? It is the juice or milk from a tree. What I told in the lesson, I have told that the sap is useful for the people. For the people, they will use as a juice or milk. So, what is the correct answer here? The fourth one is the answer B, children. The fourth one is answer B. Now goes to the fifth one. Now fifth one. Fifth one is the correct answer. Fifth one, see now, vapor. I told water vapor. When the water is boiled, okay, or any sunlight is fallen on the liquid particle, it evaporates and it is formed in the vapor. So vapor. What is the meaning of the vapor here? Water drops in the air. Vapor is nothing but water drops in the air. That means which answer? D answer will come. Okay, which answer will come here, children? D. Now let us recall the match the following words with the correct meaning. Oxygen. What is the correct answer? C. Go to the C. Oxygen, useful for human life. Next, carbon dioxide. What is the use of the carbon dioxide? E. What is the E answer here? Useful for trees. Starch, important part of our food, produced from where? We are producing the starch from the trees. Next, sap, it is one type of juice or milk from a tree. Vapor, vapor is nothing but water drops in the air. Sir, there will be a water vapor in the air? Yes, there will be a water vapor in the air. How the water is get evaporated from the land? Due to heat. When the water is get heated, it will be evaporated. So they will become the drops in the air, children. So this is the vocabulary part. First bit, match things, part A and part B. Everybody should write in your textbook, children, the correct answer. Next we will go to the second bit. Second bit. See carefully, children. Now, prepare a mind map related to furniture and medicinal plants. Two bits he has given. Okay, first one and if you turn the page, there is the second one. Mind mapping. Okay, mind mapping is nothing but he is telling to write the mind mapping related to what? Furniture. Everybody knows the furniture. How the furniture is prepared, from where it is prepared. Okay, from where we are getting the furniture. Whatever the boxes are given, no, with the furniture, what we are going to be, what includes. Okay, furniture means what includes. Furniture, everybody tell, I need a furniture, but tell me the furniture name, okay, which is used in your home. So let us see, mind mapping. Mind mapping, I am showing on the blackboard, children, how the mind mapping is done. Furniture, Furniture, furniture. So let us see. It is the main concept for making the mind mapping. furniture. Now how many boxes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So let us see here. Let us take one box here. Yes, second box, fourth, third and fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. Let us see, children. So with the furniture, what materials are produced? Furniture means what includes, that I am going to write. So this is the mind mapping, children. Let us see. Prepare a mind map related to the furniture and medicinal plants. Furniture, what I told, furniture means what is included. So first one is given for us. First one, where it is given? Let us think that here he is given. What is given in the table, children? He has given the table. Furniture means what? It is one type of table, no? Yes. Table is the one type of furniture. In this way, what is prepared with the wood, that is called the furniture. What is prepared? The things which are prepared with the wood. The things which are prepared with the wood is called the furniture. And this furniture are useful in our daily life. Now, first one is the table given. Now, second one, children, you should have to tell. You should have to be able to answer, children. Okay. So, by your own, you should have to write. Suppose table, it is made up of wood. Again, it is some few things which are made up of wood. Chair, you can write. Chair. Okay. Chair, you can write. Next one goes to the chair, normal chair. Now, you can write the cradle chair. C-R-A-D-L-E. Cradle chair. You know, children, cradle chair. Chairs are normally placed at one place and the person sitting. This cradle chair is nothing but a C-R-A-D-L-E. Cradle. You know cradle? Uyala, you will know. So the chair, how it is moving? It is moving forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. So that chair is called the cradle chair. It is moving like a swing. Yes or no? So that is the cradle chair. It is also made up of wood only. Next one is sofa table. Sofa table. It is one type of furniture, children. Sofa table is also one type of furniture. Next one. Next one is bookcase. Bookcase. Bookcase is nothing but wherever the shelf made up, the shelf which is made up of with wood used for keeping the books. Okay. Bookcase. Next one, dining set. D-I-N-I-N-G. Dining set. Dining set means what, children? Where you will sit on the table and with the dining set. Okay. For eating food. Next, shelf desk. Shelf desk. Shelf desk. Shelf desk is also a furniture made up of wood. Next one goes to the bed, children. Bed. B-E-D. Where you are sleeping. Okay, during night where you sleep on the bed. It is also made up of the wood. That means it is also comes under the furniture. Next one. Stool, children. S-T-O-O-L. Stool. Yes? Stool. Again, one option is given to you. Okay. Think and write what will come in the table. See, this many I have written. No? This many names of the furniture I have written. So, mind mapping with the wood, you can make the furniture. Means furniture means how many types of furniture you are making. That many names I have written on the blackboard. So just you should also have to write the at least one name which comes under the furniture. This is the small question for you, children. This is the small question. Understood? This is the mind mapping. What is this called? Mind mapping, children. Mind mapping or mind map also we can do. Mind map. This is the mind map children. So this mind map is dealing with what? With the furniture. Which type of things are made with the wood? That many things I have written on the blackboard. This is the mind map children. Now next one. If you turn the page number second one. If you turn the page number second one, what is given here about the medicinal plants? Medicinal plants. Let us see here medicinal plant what it includes. I am just rubbing the board children to draw the another mind map. To draw another mind map. See, medicinal plants. Medicinal plant. So now we are going to write the different types of the names which are which medicines are made from the plants. Okay. So which name of the plants? We are going to write the name of the plants in the mind mapping which gives the medicine. Okay, which gives the medicine. Let us go to the first one here. He has written about the neem tree children. Yes, neem tree. Yes, neem tree. Neem tree. Next one. Goes to the next one. What it comes? Eucalyptus. 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 Next one. Lavender. What is that? Lavender. 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 It is also one type of the tree children. Next one. Garlic. Garlic. Next, ginger. Ginger. Next, clove. 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 All are seeing on the blackboard. See carefully, children. Spellings also. Cinchona. 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 Now, aloe vera. ALOEVERA. Aloe vera. Now, this is the belladonna. 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 Next, blue foxtail. The last one is the blue foxtail. Blue foxtail. Blue foxtail. So these are the medicinal plants. These are the medicinal plants. We are making the mind map of medicinal plants. That means we are writing the different types of plants which give us the medicine. Okay. First one is the neem tree. Yes, it is very bitter. Yes or no, children? So neem tree is also one medicinal plant. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus means you will be able to see the eucalyptus in our surroundings also. Okay, you will tell no eucalyptus is nothing but Zinda Tilisma tree. You will tell no Zinda Tilisma. So that tree is called the eucalyptus. Lavender. Lavender. You can search in the Google, children. If you search the name of the lavender, you will know which tree is the lavender tree. Garlic. You know garlic. Garlic and ginger. You will know garlic. Okay. Vellullipayal. You will know that one. Next one. Ginger. Everybody should know is ginger. Next one. Cloves. Lavanga. You will tell lavanga. Cloves. Next one. Cinchona. Cinchona is also one medicinal plant. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is also a medicinal plant. It is also used in the cosmetic when we are getting the pimples on our face or to become fair. We are using the aloe vera, and it is also eaten. Okay, it is also eaten in the villages. Next one, belladonna is also one medicinal plant. Blue foxtail is also the medicinal plant. So these are the mind map children about the furniture I have explained, and on the blackboard it is about the medicinal plants. So with this I am ending my class. With the another topic we will meet you in the next class.